We're going to assemble the full face shield. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the headband. We're going to fold our tabs level with the top, as such. We're going to grab our frame with the tabs the opposite direction of the tower. We're going to eventually fold it downwards. So this touch here, we're going to put each tab on. So as you see, this is up on the tower now. After our tabs are in, we're going to fold it down. Connect our strap. So we're going to lace it in, back out through the other side. We can find 2 holes that match. We're going to put our pin from the inside out. Get our head strap. Connect that on the tower. Then we're going to put the head strap through the slot, through the other slot, and we're going to find a hole that matches. And there is the headband itself without the shield. We're going to get our shield, pull the protective plastic off both sides, start on a corner, bend this over, roll it to the top, connect the tower pin. We're going to connect the bottom before the top. And we have a completed face shield.
This shield, it covers the face and has the frame to hold shape, things pinned together to hold that. And then the band in the back is cut from a laser cut from a mylar sheet. So all of this is very quick and automated to put together. It's also adjustable, covers the top, and has adjustable top strap and adjustable back strap.